What else do I have in my lunch? Cheese. I'm like the Cookie Monster, but the cheese monster. Cheese. Ooh, I got here. Ooh, some applesauce, strawberry, banana, and a spoon. Bet you wish you were eating this right now. Now, I'll finish it later. Today, you're going to talk about identifying 4 main kinds of chemicals found in cells. What I was just doing, I was just eating some chemicals. And you know what? My cells are going to thank me for it later. They'll treat me good. They know that I'm putting in my body things that my cells need to use. So why do we need to eat? We need to eat so that our cells can function, so that each cell in our body can do its job so that we can live a relatively healthy life. All right, so our first term today is carbohydrate. Say it with me. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are energy-rich organic compounds. They are sugars and starches. The kind of carbohydrates that you might be familiar with might be like, pasta and crackers, right? So those are pretty good carbohydrates. And what I want you to do is after you watch the video is you're going to find out why are carbohydrates important and what cell parts need carbohydrates. The next term is lipids. Say it with me. Lipids. Lipids are energy-rich fats, oils, and waxes like earwax. Just kidding, I didn't eat that. Skin oils, like you know how you leave fingerprints on metal things. Okay, those are good examples. But also cells use lipids to function, and I want you to learn about that. The third term, proteins. Say it with me. Proteins. Proteins are made of smaller molecules called amino acids. Who knew proteins are acids? But an enzyme is a particular kind of protein that our body uses to help us break down food and break down big particles, like a cracker, and make them into smaller particles so that our intestines can absorb them, right? So what I want you to do is as you go through the lesson, I want you to figure out an example of what cells do with proteins or where proteins can be found in cells. So we're looking at these chemicals at a cellular level. This is a cool term, nucleic acids. Say it with me, nucleic acids. Now nucleic acids, they contain the cell instructions. These are DNA. They're in the nucleus, right? And also in the cytoplasm. There are 2 main kinds of nucleic acids, and they are important for reproduction and to direct cell activities and functions. Notice we're on notebook page 73. Make sure you highlight it. We're starting a new unit, and we're going to study cells a little bit more closely, like really close up. Like really close up. Like microscopic up close. Like even closer than microscopic, right? So we're going to look at how cells help you grow and function, okay? And you need to know how cells function in order to keep your body moving. So today you're going to learn about carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, and then you're going to do a lab which involves a cracker. And if you don't have a cracker to eat, or if you're not feeling comfortable eating a cracker, if you don't have a cracker without salt on it, then please watch the video in the lab. When you're done with the lab, you need to answer and submit 2 questions about the lab. I want you to think really carefully about it and make sure you do all the reading and make sure you watch all the videos and finish your notebook page today. You're awesome, and I hope your enzymes keep working as long as they possibly can.